So quick update. I ordered chickens. I ordered 41 chicks a few weeks ago, and guess what? They called me yesterday and they were getting my address, and the girl's like, what are you talking about? Like, that's not in Nova Scotia. And I was like, yeah, it's in Prince Edward Island. Apparently the place they bought chickens from has like a sister store in Nova Scotia that I have no clue how I called there and ordered chickens. So I ordered 41 chickens in a province that we do not live and that we cannot go to right now because of all of the COVID-19 stuff. But on a positive note, we called the farm here because it's like, I guess it's the same company, just in 2 different provinces. Anyways, explain my story to him, and he's like, oh yeah, that's happened before. So, kind of feel bad right now, but we have our chicks coming, and they're coming the exact same day. So, it's less than a week before we have chickens, and we're not really ready. We got some wood for our chicken coop. That is basically like a little mini barn. Pretty excited. Now we just have to move it. There's a bunch over here too. So lots of hard work. I think it was more work getting the kids outside. It took us like 20 minutes to find boots. It wasn't fun. I have some help. It's gonna help. Haven found a spoon and wants to what?
Dig. And make flowers with it.
Have fun with the spoon. Alright. Oh, a dog ran into the tripod. Oh, I can't speak. And it's cold. But we got this.
We'll show you our plans later. They're kind of what would you call it, like back of the napkin plans. So we just want to clear out some room in our shed this morning to get the plywood in, and then we're gonna move the rest of the lumber to where we're gonna build our chicken coop and hopefully get started on it this afternoon if it's not snowing, but it has started to snow a little bit. That's it. Okay, so we're putting this up top?
Yeah.
And then do we just want to like...
Just like the sleds and stuff can go up top. And the big shovels.
So we'll take everything down from up top then, because there's tires, there's the trampoline, there's a few other
Do you want me
things.
to go up?
Doesn't matter, we'll use that ladder, we'll go up.
You can go up, eh? What are you doing? Well, that's one way.
Oh, yeah! Whoa, get in the way.
Boston!
It's snowing now, so we're gonna try to get the plywood in. Ezra's gonna drive the lawnmower.
Wait.
And Haven's gonna ride her motorbike.
Can I actually do this?
No. Ezra, I told you you couldn't drive it. Ezra, I told you weren't allowed to drive it.
Where are we going?
Do it again. Quite interesting having kids and doing these vlogs. It's just so funny because they're so unpredictable.
So Darius said it wasn't going to snow today. Just a little bit.
we got all the wood over there. Now, battery exhaust.